We're here at Great America at Gurney, Illinois, and today we're gonna be riding some coasters, and hopefully Rosalie will be able to go to our first upside down roller coaster. So let's go! Some of my favorite childhood memories were made right here at Six Flags Great America, and now I get to share with my own family. The park opened back in 1976 and has 16 roller coasters and 3 water rides. With the warm weather and long lines, we grabbed a Flash Pass to help us relive the thrills without the wait. We'll show you our favorite rides and let you know if the Flash Pass was really worth it. So I've been here for over a decade. I actually did a lot of field trips growing up here, and a lot of my middle school and high school years, this is the place to go. So now that I've been here for a while and the kids are finally growing up where they can ride the rides, I just want to see what the difference is and if it's as cool as I remember it. First mission with the kids is see Bugs Bunny. We got here right when it opens like we always do, so the lines are going to be a lot shorter.
I didn't like it because it only had 4 fingers.
Bugs Bunny? Why do you only have 4 fingers? I usually don't do spinny rides, but I can handle this one. The next one is Sky Trek, right over here. And this one just kind of spins around. You get a good view of the park. Melissa, you been in here before?
I actually have not. The many years I've come here, I have never been on this. So it'll be kind of cool to start our day out. Chill, nice, relaxing.
We are gonna go to the Flash Pass headquarters to make sure our Flash Pass is activated. So what you have to do is download the Flash app Pass, and once you have it, you click the ride you want to ride, and it'll let you know how long it'll take you to wait before you can show your pass. To not wait in line, especially on hot days like today, is a huge thing, and also be able to maximize the time. The next one we're gonna go to, we're gonna use the Flash Pass, is the Wizard. With the Wizard, it's probably the gateway roller coaster for everybody. It's nice, smooth, and easy. The Fast Pass is pretty amazing because you can bypass this huge line. The only thing is you have to get used to is people giving you kind of weird looks because you're really just cruising right through here.
A lot faster than I remember it. Like, I mean, it wasn't super fast, but I remember. I for some reason I feel like it was slower back when I was younger.
Okay, the family banned me from playing the basketball game because the last time I was doing it at SeaWorld, I won it and they had to carry it around. But we'll get to see if my basketball skills are still there. I love how it looks like old school Northwest. How everything's set up here. What's a tangula?
I got strawberry tangula.
Okay. What else is there?
Grapes and oranges. Rosalie's been wanting to make this at home, but it's way better like buying it already pre-made.
Yeah, it looks messy too. We made it. We're here at Loggers Run, a water ride. So it's a hot day, so it is a good day for it. Melissa, you ready? Here we go. We're getting wet for sure. We did bring extra clothes because we figured we were gonna get wet here. There, we're going up this thing. Rosalie, you ready?
No.
It was relaxing, and then that big drop came from nowhere. So make sure you have everything secure into your pocket or put it in the locker because
Don't wear your sunglasses because mine almost flew off my face.
You will get wet.
Yeah.
So when I was here, like in middle school, it'd be me and like 5 of my Filipino friends just roaming around, thinking we were the coolest people around. Yeah, we thought we were cool at least, but it was really fun. It was like the mall, Great America, arcades. You know, that was my childhood.
It was like a huge drop. Do you see that wooden coaster right over there?
Yeah.
That's that white wooden coaster. That's what I went on.
What did you think though?
It was kind of fun.
Ah, I knew you would like it. Well, I'm glad you liked it. So when we're in Great America or other theme parks, we love getting these free refill drinks. But something you should know that I've not encountered anywhere else is if you get this one here, you have to wait 15 minutes before a refill. I don't remember seeing that in any other parks. Have you? If so, put it in the comments down below.
I am going on the new ride, the Wrath of Rockashka. I don't know how to say it. Wish me luck. I'm going by myself, so.
Okay. As Rosalie was building up her confidence, Melissa wanted to show her there's nothing to be afraid of at these roller coasters.
It was really good. It was like you go up and then they dangle you there for a minute and then it's like and then you drop. But it's pretty windy and it will rock you back and forth. But it was smooth. It was really good. I liked it. It was definitely scary at that drop, but it was really awesome.
As I was getting ready for the shot, all I could think about was the Indiana Pacers and Tyrese Halliburton's insane shot against the New York Knicks.
He'll backpedal a three for the win and
The last two times.
Alright, we have a winner!
Rosalie, is Daddy good at basketball? All those years. So growing up, every day I would be at the parks shooting hoops. You know, always too short to make the NBA. But all that practicing did help because now I'm able to rack up all these Great America and theme park ride basketball games. This is part of the DC universe. Alright, this is newer. I've not seen this before, the Joker. Oh my gosh, look at this. Here it is. I don't know about this one. Look at that. Oh, no way. Absolutely not.
I didn't even know what direction I was facing, to be honest. Like, it was spinning you around while you're on a track and you're like going like this, and I had no idea what direction I was even looking at.
So right here is Camp Cartoon. I remember when I was here, it was with Addison. She was so small and we spent most of our time here. Getting wet once wasn't enough, so we had to try it again at the Aquaman Splashdown.
What? This reminds me of the log ride.
Yeah, it's very similar to the log ride. That was a very wet ride. Compared to the log ride, Aquaman got us drenched. So make sure you don't have anything in your pockets that doesn't want to get wet. Because a little warning for you. I still remember when I was in grade school, I think it was like 6th grade. I was here on a field trip. So if you got lost, you're supposed to go to the gazebo. I waited, nobody showed up. I saw a few other parent chaperones, so me and my buddy just went around. Oh, my teacher was so mad at the end of the day because I guess they were looking for us. It was now time to face Rosalie's fear to do her first upside down roller coaster. All right, we're going to a classic. We are gonna go to the Demon. This coaster has been around since I was in high school. Some people think it's a little bit shaky and their head hurts after it, but to me, it's a good like getting started roller coaster. Nice drop, few loops in there. Here we go, Rosalie. Here we go. Oh, maybe not. What happened?
I cried a little on it because it went like the loops were like that. Like
It's a double loop, but you were brave, so good job. What a fun day.
Totally fun.
I think it really helped having the Flash Pass that helped us get through a lot of lines and just kind of chill, eat, relax without having to just wait around in the hot sun.
Yeah. Luckily, it wasn't super hot today either, so we got lucky for that. So.
Yeah, it was scorching hot this week. If you get a chance, come here to Six Flags, relive your childhood, and like Rosalie, create new memories as a child. So we really had fun.
It was a fun day.
Make sure you come here.